You know what? This one's special. I finally completed the Union X Air Jordan 1 collection, and man, it feels good to have all three pairs lined up. First, we had the black toe, then the red, white, and blue, and now the one I've been waiting for, the Chicago Shadow. I grabbed all of these from Kickwho.cc, and with that decent 20 code, you get 10 bucks off every time. Not bad at all. Now let's talk about this pair, the Chicago Shadow. It's a wild mix. You get that classic Chicago red and white with the shadow gray and black, and somehow it just works. The design comes straight from the mind of Union LA, and they've been doing some of the most creative Jordan 1 collabs in recent years. The whole idea was to take the old and the new, mash them up, and give them that vintage, worn-in look. And honestly, they nailed it. Sizing-wise, you can go true to size, but if you want that locked-in, snug feel, going half a size down will work too. I went TTS and they fit great. Solid support, that classic Jordan 1 feel. Quality-wise, Kickwho really delivered on this one. The leather is soft but sturdy, the stitching is tight, and all the little Union details are there, from the exposed foam tongue to the co-branded tags and that distressed look. The packaging is spot on too. You get the custom box, extra laces, and all the little accessories that make these feel like a premium release. And style-wise, these are just built for flexing. You can go all out with a streetwear fit or keep it simple and let the sneakers do the talking. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of the three colorways, but having the full set just hits different. So yeah, if you're looking to complete the Union set or just want one of the most unique Jordan 1 collabs out there, the Chicago Shadow is a no-brainer. Check them out at Kickwho.cc, and don't forget, decent 20 saves you 10 bucks. Trust me, this is one of those pairs you don't want to sleep on.